ask questions if you need to. So the second part here was find AE and hence find DG. So where's AE? Oh, okay. So AE is this here. Yeah? So I've actually done it. So there's the triangle, ABE, and I calculated AE. How did I do it? Yeah, using Pythagoras. So that's AE there, which is 12.5. Sorry. Yeah? So I don't need to do it again, I don't think. So I just brought it over and AE is 12.5 units. Okay. The second part then is DG. Now where's that? Oh, that's the bit, the line down to the center there. That one there? Okay, any idea how to get that now? The purple line down to the center there. DG. No? How do we get DG? Yep, I think so. So if we do the area of the triangle, which is a half the base multiplied by the perpendicular height, we know the area because we calculated it a minute ago. So it's there. So the area is 28.125. So 28.125 is the area. Half. So the triangle that purple line is the perpendicular height of is ADE. So do we know the base? As in that bit there. What is it? $12.5. And then we're going to multiply that by the perpendicular height, and the perpendicular height is what we're looking for. It's DG. Yeah? So 28.125 equals a half of 12.5. That's 6.25. 6.25 multiplied by DG. And then what do I do? I want this. Yep, divide by 6.25, divide by 6.25. They'll cancel, so I get 28.125 divided by 6.25, and that is DG is 4.5. So 4.5 units for that one. Hayden? No. So that's worth 10 marks. A lot of people got the 12.5 but not the 4.5, and 12.5 but fails to progress with 6 marks. All right, and then the last question, which was this one. So in the diagram, SQ and SR are tangent to a circle at Q and R respectively. P is a point on the circle. Where is that? Oh yeah. And O is the center of the circle. or PQ, that angle is 72 degrees, which is all in the question, and find, with justification, the angle QSR. So just to be clear, I'm just going to call this S. With justification means giving reasons. You know, all that stuff I had you doing in class where it's like, this angle equals 60y, it's alternate angle. This angle equals 80y because it's vertically opposite. Okay, so that's what justification means. It means reasons. Right. Can't remember how I did this, but I think definitely the first thing you need to do is draw in these two radii. Nope. Right. Can we see anything so far? If I do this, why? Yeah, the angle's on the same arc. Okay, so this angle there is on the same arc as this angle here. But the red angle converges at the center and the green angle converges at the circumference. So we have a theorem where the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So then we can get this angle to be, oh, what is that angle? 144 for that angle there. Yeah? Right, so now justify that. So angle QOR is equal to 144 degrees because the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference when they are on the same arc. Okay, so that's the first bit. Right, does that help us at all? I can't write it any smaller and I really want to. Okay, so if that angle there is 144, can we find anything? Like if I do this, does that help? There's a little squishy isosceles triangle there. How do you know it's isosceles? So then what is this line here? It's a radius. And then so is this one. Yeah? So if they're both radii, then what can we figure out? The angles at the base. We can figure out these angles here. So we can do, just scroll down a bit. We can do 180 minus 144, which is 36. And then divide that by 2. So we get 18. We did that because triangle QOR is isosceles. Okay? So if I go back up, I'm going to put in the two 18s. Very squishy. 18 and 18. Okay? Anything else? We're nearly there. What is this? A tangent. What is that? A radius. How do tangents meet radii? At 90 degrees. So, if the little yellow bit is 18, what's the next bit? 90 minus 18, which is 72. So this bit is 72. Yeah? Shh. So angle RQS. Angle RQS is RQS. Have I got that right? RQS is 72. And the reason for that is tangents are perpendicular to radii. So 90 minus 18. Good? Okay. Then the last step, I'll do it in purple. So if you look at that purple triangle there, can you figure out what S is? How?
72 plus 72.
Yeah, so this one over here is exactly the same. It's a tangent meeting a radius, so the angle is 90. We've already attributed 18 degrees of it, which means there's 72 degrees left. Now you have a purple triangle where you know two of the angles, they're both 72. So add them up and take away from 180. So, oh, I've forgotten what it is. Triangle QRS. So in triangle QRS, we have 72 plus 72, which is 144. 180 minus 144 is 36. And 36 is the angle we were looking for, which is QSR. All right. Hang on.